Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add a profile picture on your Pinterest account. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Then, select on your profile photo. After that, tap on Update Profile Picture. Then, select the photo you want to keep as a display picture. Once you are done, tap on the Choose button. And that's it. This is how you can upload a profile picture on your Pinterest profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.